Hey friends, welcome to Cooksapp. I hope all of you are doing good. So, today I'm back with a recipe which is an evening snack. It is KFC veg strips, or you can call it veg popsicles if you want to. It's an easy recipe, so let's get into it. For this recipe, we will need one carrot that has been nicely shredded or grated, half a capsicum that has been finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves, salt as per taste, half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, half a tablespoon of vegetable masala, and 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Then we'll need 2 sauces. One is soya sauce and the other is green chili sauce, which you can adjust according to your taste. Next is the base ingredient, that is, I've taken 3 potatoes, boiled and mashed them, and I've kept it aside in a bowl. You can mash them nicely and set it aside. For coating our veg popsicles, we'll be needing half a cup of cornflakes that has been finely powdered, and a few popsicle sticks for making our veg popsicles for children to handle. Next, to a mixing bowl or a flat bowl, I am adding in all my ingredients. First goes in the mashed potatoes, which forms the base of our recipe. Next, I am going to add in each of my veggies. First, adding in capsicum or green bell peppers. Give it a good mix. Bread acts like a binding agent. Corn flour. Next comes the cornflakes powder, the veg popsicle sticks, and another plate so that we can keep the popsicles on. I'm going to prick my popsicle stick into the lemon sized vegetable balls, and I'm going to smoothly round it into a cylindrical shape, and I'm going to give a coat of corn flour over it, and next going to dip it in the You can see that it has been well coated. Similarly, I'm going to make a few of them and going to keep it on a plate. You can even skip using a popsicle stick. You can use them as veg fingers. You can give them any shape you want. You can use them as nuggets. This is just the base. Okay. Next, we're going to fry them. I've taken oil in a kadai, enough for the veg popsicles to be fried in. And after the oil gets medium hot, I'm going to add in my veg popsicles one by one. I think 2 at go at a time. So I'm adding 2. And I'm going to let it cook on one side first and slowly going to flip it over to the other side once one side gets cooked. See, I've turned it over. It's a light brown color. You don't need to brown it too much. And I'm going to plate it. See, similarly, I've cooked 4 of them. So the veg popsicles are ready. This easy tea time snack is very yummy and easy to make at home. So do try it and don't forget to subscribe.